Web development can feel like a maze. I'm going to make it a straight line. Step 1. The front end. This is what people see. HTML is the structure, CSS is the style, JavaScript is the interaction. Think of HTML as the bones, CSS as the outfit, and JavaScript as the muscles. Your first win: build a single page. Title, header, paragraph, image, button, click the button, change some text. That's the hello world of the web. Frameworks, nice, not required. Learn vanilla first, then pick one. React, Vue, Svelte. They help you manage complex UIs without losing your mind. Step 2. The backend. This is the brain you don't see. You've got options. Node.js with Express, Python with Fastapi, Python with Django, Ruby on Rails. Choose one language you like and ship something small. Databases store the memory. Postgres, MySQL, MongoDB. For starters, pick Postgres, create a users table, save a name, read it back. Boom, persistence. APIs are the language between front and back. A root like API Todos returns JSON. The front end fetches it, the user sees it. That's the loop. Step 3. Ship it. Git for version control, GitHub for collab, push code, open a pull request, merge. You're a team player, even if you're solo. Hosting, Netlify, Vercel, Render, Fly.io, Railway. Add an env variable for your database URL. Click deploy, grab a domain. Done. Now make it fast and accessible. Lighthouse to audit performance. Alt text on images. Good color contrast. Focus states for keyboard users. Small changes, big wins. Security basics. Never trust input. Validate on the server. Hash passwords with bcrypt. Use HTTPS. Store secrets as env vars, not in code. How do you learn this without drowning? My 30-60-90 plan. First 30 minutes, HTML, CSS, JS basics, make a page. Next 60, build a tiny app, a to-do list with local storage. Next 90, add a backend, a database, deploy. By the end you've got a real URL you can send your friends. What about career stuff? Pick 3 projects that solve real problems. A dashboard, a form with emails, a little API. Write a one-page README for each. Problem, solution, tech, link. Put them on your portfolio. Keep it clean and fast. Trends move fast, principles don't. Understand the web request cycle. Caching saves time and money. Components make UIs scalable. Tests prevent pain. Final push. Build, break, fix, repeat. The internet rewards people who ship. Start with one page today. In 3 months you'll be dangerously capable. Let's go.